Good afternoon, everybody. Frankie here with an update on Pullman, Washington, and surrounding vicinities weather forecast for the next week ahead. We are talking about warmer temperatures, cooler overnight lows, though, which could mean a little bit of mixing rain, snow, but I don't think we're going to see any accumulation over the next week, with the temperatures mainly being above freezing. At night, we could get a couple of hours where we get below freezing um, later this week or this weekend and into early next week. But the real big pattern change is really showing up in the 8 to 14 day period. I don't like to go that far out, but that is what models are showing. A dramatic cool down and possibly some snow by then, and that wouldn't be surprising given it's into February now, and this would be mid-February. We are outlooked in a slight risk for seeing heavy snow during the 15th to 18th of February. So we'll see what happens. There hasn't been a whole lot of snow this season yet, but that could change. We've certainly seen periods where the tables have turned and later in the season, and we see that snow kind of stack up late in the season, which is not necessarily a good thing if you're talking about hydrologic issues and flooding and all that. So it is important to have a snowpack this time of year because we need water. We need that water, especially in the mountains, to depend on during the summer. But even here in the lowlands, we still need that snow pack to help with the moisture in the ground in order to prevent a horrible wildfire season this summer. So El Nino's forecast to return this summer. That means probably a hot summer. So we'll see whether that includes a lot of rain or very little. It's way too early to get into that. Obviously, if, we're only forecasting up to 2 weeks out. But what we're mainly focusing on is the first week here, because that's the most accurate part of the forecast. And then we focus secondarily on the 8 to 14 day period, week 2, where it looks like a pattern change is on the table here, possibly bringing snow into the area and colder temperatures. But for now, all is good. We're just going to have some rain moving into the area tomorrow night, and then continuing through early Monday. Rainfall totals from a 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch possible on the Palouse here, with isolated 1 inch totals possible. So that's the forecast. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.